Is it recording? Hello, YouTube. Okay. It's your girl, Shammy. This is going to be my second blog entry. I have to change my name to Canary Diamond now because I did a little research and other people have blog names for Diamond. But anyways, this is one of my many little sisters, Lexi. But we are here to talk about the trending topic of Gucci Mane's ice cream tattoo. When you think about it, it's like, are you serious? Are you serious? You could have got it. He could have got it on his arm or his back, but on your face. And it's not even a little one. It's like a really, really big one. Who does that? Would you do that? I wouldn't do that. I mean, Wayne started this tattoos on the face thing, and everybody going crazy.
I think he went over dramatic with that one.
Ice cream.
I think he's smoking that stuff.
It's something.
Yeah.
Something. I mean, I'm thinking like, was he on something when he decided to get it? Just like the girl off Ray J. For the Love of Ray J or whatever, where she had that big tiger on her face. I love tigers. I'm not gonna get no tiger on my face, nigga. That's crazy. I don't understand that. I wish I could like pull up the picture or whatever, but I'm pretty sure everybody done seen it by now. That's ridiculous. I mean, I know you, Mr. Iceman and Brr. I mean, you come up with an ice cube, nigga. You come up with an ice cube. Ice cream? That is so sweet. Sweet, like fruity. Yay. Sweet. You know, you get it? That's crazy, man. Niggas don't do that. No. Niggas are not supposed to do that. I really hope this don't influence nobody else to get chocolate, Jolly Ranchers, Starburst, nigga, cake, cherries and strawberries all over your face, son. Please let this be the first and last time this be a trending topic on YouTube. Somebody getting sweets tattooed on their face. Butterflies. You know that nigga messed up because then he went and put LA over it. Yeah. But we didn't talk about him. But honestly though, I felt like his thing was kind of like, I mean, he kind of had a good reason for it, but if you gonna make a reason for it, stand behind it. Don't cover it up. Or if you was gonna get a butterfly, don't put the butterfly on your face. You do. Don't put a butterfly on your face. Are you serious? Or if you do it and put something manly around it. Like, I don't know. In case y'all don't know who we're talking about, we're talking about the gang. Yes, that Cali nigga. And niggas over there on the West Coast with tattoos with butterflies on his face. Nigga, you might as well. Might as well get a poodle tattoo on your neck. That's crazy. Oh. Gucci and this is crazy. I thought Wayne kind of went dramatic with the I Am music. I mean, it's really not that bad to me. But if this is gonna make people go ballistic with this type of stuff, it's like, oh my god. If y'all go to, it's this website called nowaygirl.com. I follow this guy on Twitter and he posting up stuff all the time. And they had a bunch of stuff on there where people were getting crazy tattoos on their face. It was like, how do you expect to get a job if you got these tattoos all over your face? I can understand these rappers. They got bukus of money. They don't need to work for nobody else. But you, everyday nigga, gonna be working at McDonald's for the rest of your life. Probably not even that because you got a big tattoo on your face. Matter of fact, on the same website, nowaygirl.com, I seen this dude had 4 Loco tattooed on his arm. So you really gonna hand your skin over to 4 Loco like that? Is that serious?
No, it's not.
It's not. It's not. It's really not. That's crazy. I don't see people do that. You gotta, like, before you get tattoos, you gotta really, 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 really sit down and think about stuff. You do. I said that because I've been having this tiger head sitting on my arm for the longest. But come spring break this year, it's a wrap. It's gonna be. I'm probably gonna get all of this covered up. I want all of it done.
I'm not the tattoo person, so I'm not gonna get any. I don't think so. I might get one, but not gonna be on my face.
That's ridiculous. That really don't make no sense, man. I don't understand that. I don't understand no ice cream. Ice cream. Really? You can put your birth date, your shoe size. I mean, your dog name. Ice cream. I mean, but whatever floats your boat. But watch this though. Watch what happens. It's, oh my god. And then being that it's ice cream, people gonna do all kind of crazy stuff. I ain't trying to knock nobody. I'm not trying to, piss nobody off. But I guarantee you, it's gonna be a lot of gay niggas. It's gonna be a lot of gay niggas. It's gonna be like, shoot, forget that. We can get our favorite dessert, nigga. They put strawberry shortcake on their nose and
With cherries on the top.
chocolate covered strawberries on their forehead. Slap that in the middle of their forehead. That's like, you gotta think about the people when you're on TV like that. You gotta think about the people that listen to you. You gotta think about the people. You know what I'm saying? You gotta think about little kids just growing up, coming up, or whatever, and then like, mama, can I get a motorcycle tattooed on my cheek? Why? Gucci got ice cream tattooed on his face. Why can't I do it? It's like you got to think about other people. You suck, Lex. Why am I doing all talking? Since I said I was gonna put you on blast. You just one of them. I only looked at one of them. I ain't look at all of them. Just one of them.
Man, listen, I said that the nigga was gay. He on something. Listen,
now you want to talk about it.
Listen,
Now you want to talk about it. Now you want to talk about it.
That's just dumb, dog. Who would do that? I mean, that's just stupid, dog. It's just dumb.
That subject is all over with now. We're talking about you now.
Talking about me?
Yeah, we're talking about you and your dancing.
Oh, my dancing. Yeah, y'all can look me up. The GCB Jerkers. Y'all just look me up. Look at my dance.
Say that slower.
Duh, GCB Jerkers. Y'all can look me up. Go look at my dances. Comment. No.
For anybody that knows her, she's like a boy in a girl's body. So for her to do the dances that she was doing, I was shocked. I was like,
Shut up.
I know it's not Lexi. She all on the floor. I can't even get on the floor and get back up. I was like, really? This can't be the chick that I live with.
Yeah.
But it was her. It was her. My next blog will be on Tiny and T.I. In case y'all have not heard, them niggas got caught doing the nasty during visitation. Stay tuned. And that might be coming when? Maybe tonight, I don't know. Deuces!